Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informative video. So today we're talking about the new Moto E5 Supra. So it is now available on Cricket Wireless, and it's exclusive to Cricket Wireless, at least from what I've seen. But basically it is a rebranded phone, and we'll get more into that, guys. So you can get the same phone unlocked basically. So let's see, guys. This is brought to you by prepaidphonenews.com. Like I said, I am trying to do a little bit more videos like this, especially showing the competition and what's going around, because competition is always good in this kind of industry. Sorry if I sound kind of nasally, guys. I am sick, so excuse me for all the coughing and stuff. So it says Cricket Wireless has officially welcomed a new addition to its roster of devices. The Motorola Moto E5 Supra is the latest budget-friendly smartphone to be entered into the AT&T prepaid brand. If you guys don't know what Cricket is, it's basically prepaid version of AT&T. It uses AT&T towers, kind of like what Boost Mobile is to Sprint and what Metro is to T-Mobile. They just use their towers. In a nutshell, the Moto E5 Supra is a rebranded Moto E5 Plus that can only be purchased at Cricket. So as you can see, guys, this is a rebranded Moto E5 Plus, and you can get one unlocked as well. But this is Cricket Wireless's edition. So with the smartphone, you are getting a large 6-inch HD Plus Max Vision edge-to-edge display, so you can enjoy viewing content from your handheld device. Guys, if you've seen my videos below, I will link them in the description below, of the Moto G6 Play. You can't see there. These phones are a little bit similar, at least looks. There are a couple tweaks and stuff, but it's basically about the same phone. I do like the long screen display on it. It actually is pretty cool, especially if you're watching videos and all that stuff. Of course, this one is the more beefed up version because this one has 3 gigs of RAM. And so let's get more to it. It says, from within, the Moto E5 Supra is powered by a 1.4 GHz octa-core processor with 3 GB of RAM. That I'm loving right there. 3 gigs of RAM. I applaud that. Most phones around budget-wise are sticking around 2 gigs, so it's nice to see, new devices come out with 3 gigs. 30 gigs of internal storage or onboard storage, so that's very nice. And a micro SD card slot for up to 128 GB expandable memory. Wow. So you can put an SD card up to 128 gigs. One of the best selling features of the smartphone is the massive 5,000 milliamps. Guys, I've tried this. What was it, on the Moto E4 Plus? I believe that one had a 5,000 milliamp battery. Guys, that battery, it's hard to kill. It'll definitely last you all day. You have to charge it once a day. Boom, you'll be good. I mean, some people you can make it last up to 2 days, 3 days, just depending on what you're doing. I mean, 5,000 is a lot. I mean, also you will get a full day to almost 2 out of it. So, and this one does have turbo power charging, so quick charge. It will charge fast. Same thing, the Moto G6 Play as well had this feature, even though it didn't talk about it. But if you connected a turbocharger or a quick charger, it would charge really quick. So the phone also includes a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera with LED flash and an FHD Full HD video recording. In front, there is an 8 megapixel camera with LED flash. So I do like that. It does have an LED flash in the back and the front. Upon release, the phone runs Android 8.0 Oreo, so not the newest Android, but close. I mean, the newest one I think is like 8.1 or something like that. And comes with M4/T3 hearing aid compatibility rating, so that's good. Starting today, customers interested in the Moto E5 Supra can purchase it for the price of $179.99. So $180, guys, is not bad. It is available online and select Cricket authorized retail stores for both new and existing customers. So it's the same price. There's not a port-in yet or new customer price. You can also get the smartphone along with a Cricket qualified monthly service plan, 2 GB, 5 GB, unlimited data and unlimited max plan. So that's 30, 40, 55, and 60. These plans also include monthly taxes and no annual contract and no overages. So you can check that out right here. So you can see it is currently sold out or out of stock on the Cricket website. And Cricket's one of the brands I haven't really tried out. I will start kind of seeing how they roll. But $179.99 for new lines or upgrades, so it's pretty cool. One rating so far, 5 stars. So 2 gigs, 5 gigs, unlimited, and unlimited plus. So Cricket accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express credit and debit cards. That's pretty cool. So like I said, there's just some big features. I mean, I already spoke about these features, but you can see captive experience, a big screen, basically 6-inch. Power does have that big 5,000 milliamp battery, so it does 1.5 days of battery life. Like I said, depending on the usage. Stand out, so it does have a nice design, guys. If you looked at one, honestly, it looks premium built at least. And then there's just more specs here. Like I said, 5,000 milliamp battery. All the specs we already talked about. So let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think? Are you getting this phone? Let's see. There's some cases and screen protection, all that stuff. So do you want me to go ahead and pick up this phone and do a review on it? Let me know in the comments below, guys. More videos coming soon. Check out NetBuddy as well. So here's netbuddy.co. You can check out, you can get unlimited hotspot from AT&T. And basically it's a 7-day money back guarantee. It's all unlimited, guys. So check that out. And here's something. So description below. Thanks for watching.